back to the bus. This is great because we can work on the bus, and then when we're all tired we can take a swim. So today we're just going to work on getting the rest of the panels out, and we're going to try to rip out the floor. Like I said before, it's just a rubber mat essentially screwed down to the metal. That should be pretty easy. It seems to peel up pretty good, and it doesn't seem like there's a ton of rust yet underneath there. We'll just have to see what it looks like once we pull it out. So we've just been unscrewing these panels here, and 99% of the screws are just coming right out, but we have ran into some problem ones. I know I said that this bus is a dream when it comes to rust, but there is going to be some rust inside of the paneling and the floor on the inside, which I'm not as worried about as the problems that we had before on our other bus on the outside underneath. So we're gonna have to grind some of these screws into flatheads so we can take them out manually. Since these panels are glued underneath of the flange kind of deal here on these windows, I think we're gonna take off all the windows above each panel, one panel at a time, and see if we can rip the panel off underneath of the windows. Since we're not ready to put different windows in it yet, because we're going to raise the roof in this, we're just going to do one panel at a time with the windows above it, and then put the windows back afterwards. And just in case we run out of time today, we don't have a bus completely windowless, you know, for rain and stuff like that. I'd love it if we could just keep them open, but we want to keep the weather out of here as much as we can until we get the roof raised done. That's it for us today. We ran into some problems. We fixed some of them, but we just wanted to get done as much as we could today. I gotta go to sleep once again because I have to work tonight, and we'll get started back up again tomorrow. Have a good night, everybody. Thanks for watching.